Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we're going to learn Fire and Rain by James Taylor. Click that subscribe button if you enjoy my videos, guys, and check out my descriptions below if you'd like to get signed up for my guitar community. I've got some free resources down there along with this tablature, so just get signed up for that stuff. And also there's some links to all of the equipment that I use, from my foot pedal to my guitars to my cameras and things like that. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, check it out in the description. All right, guys, we are going to get started with this song, and this is a tricky one. And a disclaimer, this is the way I play it. There's a lot going on with this lick, and I would advise you as a guitarist, if you're playing this one, make it your own. You want your style to come out in the song, but you also want the intro to sound pretty much like what people are hearing, what they're used to hearing, so that they know what the song is. So make sure that it has the basics, but then add your own to it. I probably don't play it exactly the way the recording does, but this is my version of it. So if you want to learn that, then stick around. We are gonna start with our capo on the 3rd fret, and we're gonna slide up. The first move is a slide, and we're playing the A string and the G string at the same time, and we're gonna slide from the 7th fret right here to the 9th fret, and then we're gonna get this bar chord. This is a C right here that we end up getting in, so it goes. Okay, and if you know anything about theory, basically what we're making right here is this is, with that A in the bass, we are making a A minor 7. Alright, and so then we're going to go backwards, but we're going to play the E string this time. And then we're going to get this chord right here. So. Then we're going to hit this D string and play the D chord. So I'm hitting this first, and then I'm just grabbing, I'm plucking down here. So then we're going to go to A, but we're going to play that A string and the B string, and we're going to hammer on. So hammer on, pull off, so let's go from the beginning. E, D, and then we go back to A, E, and G, then end on A. So that G is, we're just doing kind of a, so we're just keeping that in between here. And I'm using, for all of the high strings, I'm using my finger to pluck those strings. So let's go from the beginning. Ready, and back down. Let's try it again. One last time. Ready, and back down. D chord. And notice this G that I'm playing, it's kind of strange. So I have my second finger on the second fret of the A string, my third finger on the G, I have my pinky on the third fret of the B, and then I have my first finger to get this F sharp over here. And so I'm putting that down, lifting it up, and this pattern in between, the recording, he does it a couple of different ways on the different recordings that I've heard, but it's something similar to this. Alright, so let's go through the whole thing one more time, a little bit faster, and then you can play along with the tabs at the end. I've got a slow version and a fast version. Here we go. Ready? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that subscribe, check out my description below, and stay tuned for the slow version and the fast version of this song. See you next time.